Hello guys, today's video we are talking about bullhound first and know about all powers, abilities and origin. So without getting late, let's get start the video. Bullhound is an ancient mythical beast that was fusioned by bull body and the monster-like head like donkey. He was the guardian of the Arctic region and he served as a pet of Vecna. And in the Norse mythology, he served as a dwarf member of dogs. He have lots of powers and abilities like ice ball blast, ice power manipulation, frost resistance, blizzard creation, snowstorms, and frozen creation. And he was served as a Fenrir guardian. And that's all. If you watch until the end, like and subscribe my channel and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.